Today I'm going to show you how to program the control for your car, for your garage door. So I hope this one, everything compatible with any garage opener motor. So I'm going to show you today. If I can do it, you can do it. Okay, let's start. Okay, first of all, you see this button. There's three buttons in here anyway. 1, 2, 3. So in order for me to erase everything that we got in here in this system, we need to erase everything by doing this. We need to press number 1 and number 3, the one at the end here and the one on the other end over here. You watch this light. This is the light that you're gonna focus on. So I'm gonna press this together like that. Steady light, red lights on, steady, right there. There, you see those? Once you see them flashing red, that means that's already erase everything. Then stop. Okay, once it's stop, it goes off, then that's it. And then you just release. Okay, what to do next? Show you. Okay, now it just remove all previously program and this system. Now we do next. If you have your remote that already programmed into your garage door, I guess I already showed you this, how to program, but this is already programmed to the garage door. So in order for you to program this, we'll have to do this. Okay, you choose the button that will be used to open the door. So I choose this one, the middle one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press this button and with this together at this. So I'm gonna hold this and then hold that. Just focus there. Slowly flash button. I mean slowly light. Then release. After inside the car, you did that, you need to press that button for 2 seconds and then release. After with solid lights. Now it's doing purple. Now come back inside here. You need to press this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. If you like this video, if it helps you, please hit subscribe, hit like, share, and ring the bell on the bottom. So if there's a follow-up, you could watch this video again. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit like and share at the hit like on the bottom, and thank you very much. Let's go push this.